All right, we got some 1 3/4 stepped up to 1 7/8 headers here. They are set up for a 351 with 3.5-inch collectors and V-bands and 3.5-inch front exit pipes. Good thing to note, whenever we do the exit pipes on this particular car, we come out just to the edge of the tire. So whenever we come over on this side, we are past the edge, so you can see the cut mark we have to trim it down a tiny bit. These headers are going to be going to the ceramic coaters on Monday. Got our frame rail clearance over on the passenger side. Nice little gap there. This is a 13mm wrench. Yay thickness. And look at that. Slides right through. So this is just a build we're doing. We don't build the 1 3/4 step to 1 7/8 headers all that much, so this was a good chance for me to showcase them and kind of show the build on those. Over here we're on the driver's side. You can see how we have the 1 3/4 pipe going into the 1 7/8 pipe, and everything's going into the 1 7/8 collector. Nice little setup. We got the AFR 3-inch wide bolt pattern for the AFR 205, 225s. Some of the dart setups. That's it. The front exit pipes are tacked up right now, so I'm going to take those off and fully weld them up. Cut off the end over here. That way both pipes are at the same length. Take the headers to the coaters on Monday, since he is getting the headers done in ceramic silver. That's it. Pony down and out. All right, here we go. The front exit V-bands are all welded up.